In the sunny town of Mapleville, where sidewalks shimmered with chalk art and the air smelled like strawberry smoothies, lived two best friends, Jayden and Jack. They did everything together. They built blanket forts in Jayden's living room. They zoomed their bikes through puddles in Jack's backyard. They even had matching Best Brothers hats, with their names written in glow-in-the-dark letters. But one Saturday morning, everything changed. The sun was shining, birds were singing, and Jayden and Jack were in the park setting up for the great big Bouncy Castle Bash, the most epic inflatable party Mapleville had ever seen. They were in charge of Team Bounce, and their job was to make sure everyone took turns on the bounce house and had fun. "Let's start with a countdown," Jack said excitedly. "No, we should make a sign-up list," Jayden replied. "But countdowns are more fun," Jack argued. "Lists are fairer," Jayden insisted. They stared at each other. Crossed arms. Frowny faces. One big bounce house, and two very different ideas. Then came the worst part. Jack grabbed the countdown timer and yelled, "I'm the boss of Team Bounce." Jayden snatched the clipboard. "Not without me, you're not." Rip. The list tore. The timer hit the ground. All the kids waiting to bounce looked shocked. A balloon popped. A squirrel ran away in fear. Jayden turned his back. Jack sat down in the grass. Nobody bounced. A quiet voice piped up. "What happened to the fun?" It was little MIA from down the street. Jayden felt his tummy twist. Jack looked at his shoes. They both missed the fun. They missed each other. Just then, Coach Dee, the park supervisor with a giant sun hat and wise eyes, walked over. She said, squinting at the silent bounce house. "What's going on with Team Bounce?" "We had a fight," Jayden mumbled. "We couldn't agree," Jack said. Coach Dee sat between them and said something simple, but magical: "Every team has conflicts. The strong ones learn to fix them. Want to learn how?" Jayden and Jack nodded slowly. Coach Dee's 3-step fix-a-fight plan: 1. Pause and breathe. "Take a deep breath, boys," Coach Dee smiled. Jayden inhaled. Jack exhaled. They both felt a little less stormy. 2. Share your side. Listen, don't interrupt. Jayden spoke first. "I thought making a list would be fair so everyone gets a turn." Jack replied, "I wanted it to feel exciting, like a countdown launch." They blinked. They both had good ideas. 3. Find a win-win together. Coach Dee raised an eyebrow. "So, what could you do that's both fun and fair?" Jayden grinned. Jack nodded. "A countdown after checking the list," they said together. Coach Dee clapped. "That's what I call conflict resolution." The rest of the day was amazing. Kids got turns. They cheered for each other. And every bounce began with, "Name on the list." "All right? Countdown in 3, 2, 1. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.